Thank you, Keon. And in the meantime, Chairman of the Professional Football Jamaica Limited, PFJL, Chris Williams, has since expressed disappointment that Waterhouse and Portmore United were forced to withdraw from the regional tournament due to inactivity, among other things.
This is a dark day in football for Jamaica and for the players not of Waterhouse and Portmore. The reality is that the club championship, our Champions League of the region, gives the players an opportunity to display their skills at a wider level and an opportunity for the exposure and to improve, and also for opportunities for export. So it's a critical competition that we want to have to participate in if we want to continue to grow this industry of football.
Williams is hopeful that the action of Waterhouse and Portmore United is not an indication of things to come for club football in the country.
We don't want any more dominoes to fall. This one has fallen. We want to quickly move to prevent any more fallout of this industry that the whole country loves and wants to see thrive.
Alrighty.